If you want to know how and when to use group by in SQL, continue watching. Hi, my name is Adata Borovskita, and before starting, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if you want to be notified when my new videos arrived. And of course, if you have some suggestions for new topics or any questions regarding this video, comment below. So today I have data from EMDB database, the top 250 TV series titles, and we can check the data in this. And here I have the TV titles and the ranks, start year or end year if the series already ended, and duration of the one episode, I guess. Also we have the genre, IMDb rating, and votes. So for example, now if I would like to have all the values of start year column, I can write select start year from TV series, and if I run this query, I can see I have 250 rows, and we have some value duplicates. For example, here you can see in 2015 in both rows and so on. So group by is used for the cases like this. So for example, if I want to group all the unique values of this column, I can write the same query here, but plus. So again, copy this column name and run this query. So now I have 42 rows, and they are the unique start year values here. So as you saw, group by uses and groups all the repeating values and gives you the unique ones. So it's very simple function. So if I would like to know how many movies were started in all these particular years, I can write the SQL statement like this. So select start year and count titles. Title, I call it movies or number of movies, and from TV series. So now if I run this one, I had the error, and it says start year is invalid in the select list because it is not contained in either an aggregation function or in the group by clause. So what this means is that when you are using some aggregation, for example, count, sum, min, max, or some other, you have to use group by clause, how it is called here, or group by statement, for the columns which are not aggregated. So in this case, start year is not aggregated here. So I have to write, for example, something like this. Select start year, count title from TV series, group by start year, and additionally I would like to order my result by number of movies from the biggest number to the smallest, so in descending order. Of course, I can use without this part. So for example, if I do like this, I will have again 42 rows, so all the unique values of start year and the number of movies it has. So for example, in 1987 there were free TV series. Yeah, so I have to change this one to TV series, and it will be the number of TV series, not movies. As I said before, here I have every start year and the number of TV series which started at that year. And if I add to this order by statement, I will have everything sorted by the number of TV series, so from the largest to the smallest. So here I have, for example, in 2013, there were 18 TV series created or just started. And this is what I wanted to show you today. So use group by with aggregates, or if you have any duplicates in your selected column or columns. And I hope this was helpful. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for further videos, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.